How to add crossplay friends on NCAA 25. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to add crossplay friends in EA Sports College Football 25. Whether your friend is on Xbox, PlayStation, or PC, this quick guide will show you how to connect and play together. Tutorial step by step. Step 1. Open EA account. From the main menu, press the button to open EA Connect. On consoles, this is usually the right stick or D-pad shortcut. Step 2. Go to the Player Search. Navigate to the Player Search tab. Step 3. Find your friend. Type your friend's EA ID, Xbox gamer tag, or PSN ID. Make sure you enter it exactly as it is. Then hit Search. Step 4. Send friend request. Once you find them, select the profile and send a friend request. Step 5. Wait for acceptance. Wait for accept. Your friend will need to accept your request before you can play together. Step 6. Invite to game. After they accept, go to the Play a Friend, Ultimate Team, or World to the Playoff modes. From there, select their name and send an invite to play. Bonus: enable or disable crossplay. Crossplay is on by default, but you can toggle in settings under gameplay options. Just find the crossplay switch and turn it on or off as needed. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to add and play with crossplay friends in College Football 25. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.